Nice, Ken.
Oh, really? No, just big stick. Big stick.
Big stick.
Oh, he tried.
Harder. But still big.
Nice, babe.
It's really
That's very funny. Oh yeah. We feel like we're going to see at least one dog that's
Come on. Good. Come on. All right, Isaac.
oh, you're wired. Ritter, come on. Hey. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
I gotta remember to bring my rock.
Sorry.
Keep on them up.
And no one's up on it. No one found it. It's in the short.
No.
Okay.
That's good. Yeah?
Sure.
Nice, babe. Well, Isaac, luckily if he falls now,
I always struggle to get it.
should be just fine.
Yeah. But
2 more clips to anchors.
For Justin?
For Justin, Dad's still got, he's getting to that last kind of crack face.
I can see that you're into
He's getting on the last good ledge.
almost worth it. get after it already.
Good, Jay. I think Dad is so tired.
You think that is what?
So tired.
Yes. Okay.
Good, Jay. Come on.
Oh, man.
Good. Whew.
No, see? Choo-choo.
Choo-choo? Yeah.
Not choo-choo, choo-choo.
This is that one. Okay. No, why not that far? We did not. That's also something that I would do. And then we'll be like, oh.
Nice, Jay. Come on. Man, this looks so pumpy. Good. Let's go. Nice. Nice, Dad. He's almost at last clip. He's just gotta get like one hand higher and then he can clip. Here we go. Good foot. Nice. Come on. He's getting close to the top. Come on. Come on, Jay. Nice. Good. Here we go. He's clipping.
Come here.
Nice, Dad. Come on. Here we go, Jay.
Now we have plenty of space.
Yeah.
He's at that part we wanted to see.
Oh, shit, yeah. I know. Okay.
I want to be behind you this episode. All right.
Nice. Come on. That's Dad. He's passed in. Yeah, he just radioed that.
Did he ask for his son?
Nope, that's all he said. Looks like he's pulling it though.
Alright, take Isaac.